Do women care about semen volume? Does semen volume matter? I don't think women cares. There's never been a study that really looked at semen volume from a woman perspective. Men may care, but as in women, probably not so much. Because remember, our women also ejaculate as well. So their lubrication is also mixed in as well too. So they wouldn't know whether how much semen it is if you're intravaginal. They may know if it's not intravaginal, right? Does volume matter? I guess everything is subjective. Volume of semen is subjective, but there are several things that affect semen volume, which is how much water you drink that day, and also if you have an enlarged prostate or not. So if you have an enlarged prostate, then you will have less semen volume because the prostate clamped down on your urethra. So when your urethra comes out of the bladder, goes down, the prostate clamped down on it, and therefore it affects the amount of volume that semen comes out from the prostate. The prostate is where everything is stored. Here is like the body sliced out right here. So here is your prostate that comes out from the bladder. This is the bladder. This is your pubic bone, and the prostate encompasses the whole urethra, which is where you pee, and that goes through the penis that comes out. And this is your scrotum, okay? So your prostate's right behind, like here, the area underneath the tape. You can literally feel it. So the prostate surrounds where the tube where you urinate. Well, as it enlarges, it will affect the amount of semen that is going to come out to your urethra. So your penis have three functions. It's an erection. It also allows you to have urinate, but it also, where your urethra goes in, you get your semen out. So there are several factors that affect semen volume, and also stress. Performance anxiety will also affect semen volume as well. So you see where the prostate is? Every man has a prostate, and it actually enlarges as you get older, which is normal. That's why you should always have a prostate exam after the age of probably 45. And the prostate exam is when the doctor put his or her finger up into your rectum, and that's the only way to feel it. So we will put the finger like this, and that's how the doctor feels the prostate. It's do a rectal exam. You can't feel it from the outside. You have to feel from the inside. And that's how we know this rectal exam. And so having said that, that will determine the semen volume. I hope that helped. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Kindly share your wisdom on supplements. Well, if you have ED, the supplement that you need the most is nitric oxide and probably a testosterone booster like Libido Plus. So check out our store at ednomore.com. Go to ednomore.com and check out that you're going to need vitamin D as well. So you're going to need vitamin D. You're going to need nitric oxide. You're going to need Libido Plus. Check it out at our store, Modern Man Crib. You can check it out at that link there, or go to ednomore.com. Here's a QR code. You can check it out. If you're seeing it on your mobile or on your desktop, you can go to ED No More, or you can check out that link. That's really all you need. You don't need anything else. Don't try to go for any weird stuff as well. If someone can't afford Virginia, go to Virginia for the program. What home options are there the best? Well, what home options are the best? I will tell you, all right? You're gonna have to put in the work, David. Getting your sex life back is like weight loss. You gotta put in the work. You got to do the work. So what that means is there's 4 things that you can do to work your way back to having your erection again. First thing is diet. Follow the Mediterranean diet, which is eating clean. Eat what the earth grows for you. The earth doesn't grow chips. The earth doesn't grow French fries, okay? Eat what the earth grows for you. Mediterranean diet is a diet focusing on lean meat and fruits and vegetables. You can eat your plate, fill half of it with vegetables, and eat fish, chicken, pork, and red meat about once or twice a week. That's it. That's the Mediterranean diet. Eat lots of fruit for your dessert. That's number 1, diet. Number 2, it's exercise. You need to exercise. You don't need to do a triathlon. You don't need to do anything complex. Just exercise 30 minutes, just walking, even 30 minutes, 4 times a week. That's it, or every other day. It could be walking up and down the stairs, on the treadmill, walking outside, wherever. So it's just movement. Those 2, what you eat and exercise will go a long way. Studies have shown that exercise is actually more effective than taking Viagra. Yes, I kid you not. But you don't hear about that because everybody takes Viagra. And the third part is sleep. Get at least 7 hours of sleep, because when you sleep, your body makes more testosterone, and that's when your body heals physically and psychologically. And then the fourth one, decrease stress. Men tend to internalize their stress. They don't talk about it like women do. And so therefore they tend to have more heart problems, like heart attacks and strokes, than women. So the best thing is stress reduction is exercise and do the thing you love to enjoy, spend time with family. You don't have to do anything else. Meditation. I recommend doing yoga or meditation. That decreases your stress. Or you can wear one of the Oura rings. I will show you my Oura ring, but my Oura ring is charging right now. Oura, O-U-R-A. You put it on your finger, it monitors your stress level. So you know when you're stressed. When you know when you're stressed, then you start doing box breathing. Go to my channel and look up box breathing. When you do box breathing, it will lower your heart rate. Box breathing is inhaling through the nose for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and then breathing out through your mouth for 4 seconds. And then you hold it for 4 seconds and then inhale again. So it's like a box. In for 4, hold for 4, expel out for 4, hold for 4. So when you do that, you will notice your heart rate going down. But you will only notice your heart rate going up if you either have an Apple Watch or an Oura ring. The Oura ring will actually catch that. So fourth thing, of course, stop smoking, stop porn, and moderate your alcohol. You're allowed to have 14 drinks a week, which is quite a bit. So moderate your alcohol. It takes work. It takes time. You're probably not going to see result until maybe 90 days. But we have seen remarkable results with our men that are in the Modern Man Club. Also recommend Good Morning Wood Smoothie. Go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com to download the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, because if you take that every day, it actually will help quite a bit. So Good Morning Wood Smoothie is right there, that QR code, or you can go to Good Morning Wood Smoothie. So I hope that helped. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com, or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. I'm just gonna say, you guys, if something is as important as your sex life, you're gonna have to work for it. It's like weight loss. It's exactly like weight loss. It's like weight loss, you gotta put in the work. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.